So I want to talk about this LTE router with a pre-installed EIOTClub SIM card. And you can take off the screen protector here. And obviously you've got some power ports here. And you can see that there's the SIM right there, that it's already preloaded. You have a TF card here. And then as far as your connections go, let me turn this right side up. You've got your power, which is a USB-C. You've got your WAN line and your LAN line. And this is fantastic because you can use this pretty much anywhere. You can use it for business. You can use it on boats. You can use it for travel. You could use it as an RV. You can enjoy IP6 support. You could also use it as a VPN device. So this is going to be all of your connections and cords and cables here. So there's your LAN, there's your power cord, and here's your adapters for multiple countries. Obviously, you can see the adapters there. This side, what we talked about, right? This can be used as a cable modem. It can be used as a Wi-Fi repeater. It can be used for tethering from a phone to send the signal. You can use this as a 3G, 4G modem. And that SIM card actually comes with this. So it's already in here, right here. I've put that in. You get coverage in over 200 plus countries and regions with no roaming fees. You get it perfect for travel, business worldwide. You can use it as a hotspot, sharing a network. I've actually already connected to it. So a little bit about the combo and the deal, right? The router comes with a 24 gigabyte SIM plan already built in. You can use it in Europe and the United States. It works on popular providers, AT&T, T-Mobile. And the thing that's great about this is you can get up to 3 years for a 20% discount on the plan. So basically to power this on, it's gonna come with a pre-generic password and an IP address that you're going to connect to get everything started. And you basically log into your router and connect your SIM card. And then I'll show you what it looks like when I connect on my computer and on my phone using that wireless network. So we've got the Wi-Fi button right there. So you can see that Wi-Fi comes up. And it should show up when you start looking in your networks, right? Whether you're using your phone, right? There we go. There's the 3G, 4G. So when I refresh the networks on my computer to look for them. So let me just open this back up again. Your device will probably have something different here, but then I'm going to connect. And you'll see now that my computer is connected to this, and you'll see that we're getting connectivity right here on the Wi-Fi. Now what I can do is I can actually log into my router and I can change the password. I can do some stuff like that. And the beautiful thing about this is now, so I'm actually connected in. So I've already created a password. I already changed this. And you'll see now that I have access to do a lot of different things on the actual router using the SIM card. So the SIM card allows you to connect anywhere. So you can go wireless, you can see here, we can go clients, we can do VPN, we can do different applications, we can create a network for other people to join. We can go through this whole process here. So then I would click on wireless, and then I would go through and I would connect to my actual SIM card here. You can see that I'm getting information. To kind of wrap everything up, this is the key point, right? This SIM card right in here is what makes everything happen. This is reloadable, it's private, it's secure. This is the Bizglobelink that you can get from the EIOTClub. These actually come together